5 steps how you can book your calendar as a coach. Number one thing, you have to build your profile funnel. The profile funnel is something that it is your digital CV. How you can build it up? When it comes to optimizing your profile, the first thing you should mention about the offer statement. And the offer statement contributes what do you help, how do you help, and who do you help. These are 3 important things that you should have in your offer statement. So that's how you will build your profile so strong. So whenever somebody will land on your profile, they should know what exactly you do. Second thing, find where they are. They may be part of some community, it can be a Facebook group, they may be part of any Facebook page or Instagram page. So objective is to finding where exactly they are spending their time. Third step is to attract them. So how you can attract them? By putting out content, by putting out hooks, so that you can attract them using the power of organic attraction marketing. So comment marketing is one of the attraction marketing we consider. So by adding value comments and also connecting them emotionally. Fourth step is capturing them. You don't need fancy funnels or landing page here. You just need your Facebook group. Using the power of a GCF system that you can capture them. If you don't know what is GCF system, I do live workshop. You can learn how you can generate quality organic leads using the power of GCF system. Last but not the least is convert. How you can convert them? There is also I use GCF system, which is going to help you to get quality leads for your coaching business. Let me know in the comment box your key takeaways from this video, and also do not forget to join my free Facebook community I have on Facebook, that you will learn more about power of GCF system. I'll see you inside.